when a person chooses to seek out Ifá for guidance about how to live their lives in greater divine alignment, it is of the utmost importance that we do not take that guidance for granted. It is of the utmost importance that we review and reassess that guidance again and again. And I will repeat that we put our hands on top of our Ori and we ask Olódùmarè to help open our Ori up to receive divine and mystic revelations on the meanings and interpretations of the guidance that Ifá has imparted to us about our own reasons and purposes for coming to the planet Earth. Why did we ask to come here? What was it, or what is it, that we have requested to be able to return to the earth to see through, to complete, and or to fulfill? It's not for the Ìṣẹ̀fà to be sitting in your house in a very beautiful ajere or vessel, dry. They should not have mold on them. They need to continuously be cared for. You need to continuously be communing with them, dialoguing with them, conversing with them about whatever our needs are. And don't stop there. Remember that Ìṣẹ̀fà is a partial initiation. You're not supposed to stop there unless there are some forces majeure that are preventing you from moving forward to the next step. Forces majeure meaning something that is absolutely beyond your control. For most people, that is not the case. You are supposed to keep going. Ìṣẹ̀fà is so many things, but of all the things that it does do and that it is, it's a way opener. A way opener to assist us with taking another step in the correct aligned direction towards being more equipped, more competent, more supported, more undergirded, more guided, more protected, more clear on fulfilling our life purposes. There's not just one, we have many. Aburu, Aboye, Aboshishe.